Oh, really steep here. Daniel, the beef master. Some steak, potato. Smells awesome.
Super cold.
We're having dinner now. Yes, can see you. Thanks for cooking, Jeffu. Cold cuts, beef, burgers. Brandon's loving his biscuit. Oh, spicy.
Say hello to the camera, Didi.
Hi, Didi.
Hi. Some avocado milkshake to bring to our picnic at the falls.
$29, please.
Yeah, by PayMe.
This is the latte Michelle.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Free coffee grinds here. They make good fertilizer.
The Quininup Falls today. Quininup. This is where we parked our car and it's about an hour's hike with all our brunch.
We're going on a bear hunt, gonna find a big one. My hands are full. My heart is full. Woo! Where are you going?
You want to go down here?
He went for an adventure. Hot.
We decided to abort plan. It's another 20 minutes.
Enjoy your picnic here.
Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Wow, look at all the different colors. Bluish, turquoise, green, yellow. So beautiful.
Right, about 10 minutes more.
It's like a sand dune here. Welcome to Quininup Falls. Where is it? Seems more like the beach than a fall. He's going off-road.
To get to the falls, we need to work for it. Oh, really steep here. Whoa! Oh, I see the stream.
We are here!
It's so beautiful here. Pam is taking a dip. Like super cool. I think it's fine here. Okay, we're heading back to the car to proceed to our next destination for lunch. Swings and roundabout. Yep, our booking was for 1:15, but it's already 1:15 now. We'll try to make it there instead. Look at that thing. What's that? Oh man. Cool. Long way back, huh?
I would love to go down, but
There's no time. Ooh!
oh, what?
You turn around.
I don't
On
know.
the rock. Eden, are you there? Perfect weather for you.